My hands are full. Let's see, got it all. Joe's obviously clearly not helping this morning. You know, what are you gonna do? Today we got a pretty easy day.
Decided to bring his purse.
It's a flight bag for the drone, which we need because today we're doing quotes. It's easy day. It's Thursday. It's cool. To us, it's our Friday, because guess what?
No.
Yeah, we've been working hard, so we went and got some solo skiffs. So tomorrow we're taking our Friday off. We got 2 matching solo skiffs, because why not? That's what cool dudes do, right? And we are hitting the Tarpon Springs area. We're not even going to go fish. We're just going to go play on them, see how well they work. Anyways, back to work, because it's not our Friday yet. We're running quotes. We're going to show you how we run quotes. We're doing 3 quotes. We also have a gutter clean out we're doing first. So we got to work a little bit. And then afterwards, we're going to show you the process of how we quote people. We do all our quotes in person. We fly a drone up. We take measurements. Then we bring it back home. We use the software. We put the quote together. We shoot it over. They accept it. We send a contract. We go install it. We send them a thank you card. And everybody's happy because their yard's dry.
Man, don't sound so excited.
I don't like the computer work. I like manual labor. Especially on a day like today.
It is a nice day.
Let's get to it. All right, set up at the first job. We like to leaf blow when we can. If we need to, we'll use the jetter and blow out. They got gutter guards, so hopefully we can leaf blow, because it's too cold.
Yeah, it's too cold to get
for us this morning. Anyways, hopefully tomorrow's warmer so we can take the boats out. Beautiful backyard.
Yeah, they're pretty.
Let's go. They do indeed have gutter guards. The flashing, though, to keep all this rainwater from splashing over into the lanai, though, has completely caught all of the leaves in it. Looks like those gutter guards are working pretty well, though. Look at this wind coming off this roof line out here. It's like it's snowing. All right, Makita does it again. It's awesome just being able to swap batteries real quick if we need to when we're up here. Move super quickly. We can get a lot of houses done in a day if we need to. But all we had was this one today as far as cleaning out goes. Now we're gonna go run 3 quotes, so we'll show you that process. All the hard labor's done for the day. Great work, Joe. So I'll go ahead, hop down, and we'll get on to the quotes. All right.
All right, everybody, we are finished up with the first job. On our way to our first quote of the day. This customer has some issues with water pooling in multiple spots around their home. So we're gonna drive out there real quick. They're not that far away. Take a look, throw up the drone, get some pictures, and we'll bring you along for the process, so stay tuned.
Yep. All right. Here at the first house, you can see they've already got some markings. Beautiful grass. We'll see what the problem is here in a second. All right, well, we just walked through the whole property with the customer. Obviously, we didn't video that for our customer's privacy, but it's a pretty big property, really pretty property. He's just trying to get all this grass to grow. You can see
These bare spots.
nice. Massive lawn.
That's heavy grass.
That's heavy breath. That's an inside joke, guys. Yeah, he's trying to get all this lawn to grow. He did this all by seed, and this front yard area, it's getting too much water, pooling up.
A lot of it coming off the street.
Most of this will probably end up being regrading.
Yeah.
So we can get into the drainage ditch right there, but we'll go ahead and move to the back so you can see that as well. Guess it was heavy brass.
See, you're just breaking all of our stuff.
Continue. You can see all this goalie is just dead grass. Too much water, can't grow properly. He said the water's even stunting the growth of this tree right here.
Oh yeah, you can see.
We got a bowl.
They're supposed to be the same, planted at the same time, and you can see that magnolia is almost about 50% larger than the smaller one.
And
Ooh, that's a bird there.
starts getting better here. So obviously we got a pretty large backyard here. You can see all these dead spots. They're just holding water. The grade naturally comes towards the house, unfortunately. So we'll probably be looking at putting in a traditional French drain, maybe 2 lines of it, just to catch all that water from the pavers coming off this way, all the water from the yard coming in this way. We don't want to put too many catch basins in this backyard. He's trying to keep it looking real clean, and he's doing a great job. And we'll probably do a couple catch basins right along those pavers there, tying in the downspout, of course. Check out what we got on this side. Beautiful lawn. Same thing, just the water coming off the roof line. This downspout here, all the water is just sitting, killing this grass here. That being said, this time in winter, this side's not receiving as much sunlight, so it definitely affects. Definitely pulling here.
Here's one of our lovely obstacles we get to go around.
Yeah, he's
for
got
this job.
automatic mowers, so it's
We
got
have
tracks.
Yeah, automatic mowers that follow these wires. Invisible fence.
Over here in this corner, looks like it's pooling, so this is definitely a good sized job. Will definitely be a fun one to put together. Hopefully we get this one accepted, but we'll see. We'll throw up the drone in a second, and I'll cut to when we're at that. Take out the drone from this beautiful flight bag from flight school that lasted a solid month.
That you never finished.
That I never finished because it got expensive because, well, we'll just say the country went a certain way and things got expensive. And
Things got expensive and a certain someone kind of
and
left you
somebody,
hanging.
and
A damn liar, man. That's not true.
yeah.
Well, that's not true. You're saying things you do not know what you're talking about.
I don't understand economics though, so, you know, we're just gonna move on and throw this thing up in the sky.
Come on, man.
Okay.
And here we are. Little drone right there. Just beautiful. Nash, our trusty
Still
pilot.
a pilot.
So, while Nash is over here taking care of these drone pictures, doing a great job, I wanted to take a little bit of time to just inform you guys of why we like to do in-person quotes. The reason being, I mean, we have a few reasons, one of which we're able to come out here and actually see the low spots, see the slope, get a better idea of how everything's going to drain. That way we can build the right system for you and your needs. Another reason being is that we can really come out here, walk it through with the homeowner, really see what they're wanting to do, the areas that they feel are causing the most problems, and really just build them something that they are going to be happy with and is going to resolve all the issues that they really care about. Another reason is that we like to come out here every now and again. We'll have people who will send us measurements that they've taken themselves. they're not always accurate, so we always like to come out here.
Never accurate.
Sometimes they're accurate, but most times they're not. So we like to come out here and measure everything ourselves. That way we know exactly what you need, exactly how much we need, and that you won't be overcharged or underbid for your specific project. So those are just a few of the reasons why we like to come out here and do it in person.
And we just like to meet our customers, like to get a feel for them, discuss budget. Budget's always a big thing. You could build systems that will work for pennies on the dollar, or you can spend tens of thousands of dollars and have a working system as well, just depending on the material. Every time I try.
Come on.
We just like to meet our customers.
So you heard it. Tampa Area dudes. The people's people. Okay, everybody, Nash and Joe, we are now in the truck. Just got done doing our first quote. Can I help you?
No, they probably knew who we are at this point.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
You know, for the new people who don't,
Joined halfway through the video?
they might.
Yeah, okay. Fair point.
All right, everybody. We are now in the truck, headed off to the second quote. First one went great. We got the aerial footage that we needed, took all the measurements that we needed, talked with the homeowner just to get his thoughts and his concerns, make sure we have all of that addressed. So, like I said, we are on our way to the second quote of the day. This second quote is about 15-20 minutes away, and this customer is having issues in their pool, specifically inside of their lanai. The customer says that they have an existing trench along their pool lanai that acts as their drainage that they just filled with rock. Apparently that is not working well anymore or at all, and so we are going to go in and take a look and see if we can't get a channel drain installed for them and see exactly what they may need for that, and hopefully get them draining right.
House number 2.
It's like you would think that'd be
Looks like we got
the first thing.
just a cutout channel. Had rock in. Get stuffed up on this side. Bark. Over here, it's AstroTurf. That's what we need to put in channel drain and pour. Well, yeah, you saw that one. That's a pretty common thing we see here in Florida. Some of these older houses are built without channel drains around their pools. They just have those little dugout trenches. They fill them with rock.
Those do not work.
They don't go anywhere.
Don't ever get one of those at your home, and if you're unfortunate enough to buy a home with that, look into getting a channel drain installed.
See all the grass is holding up the water from draining out. Okay, we are at the same house, just in the backyard. Now this is something we can help with. See, this downspout is pouring water right here. It's eroding this area of the garden bed, and the water sitting and pooling in here. It starts killing all these plants that they just had put in. So we can run this right down the line to where Joe is, and then out back to that drainage pond for sure. So we'll go ahead and measure that out and include that on the quote as well.
All right, everybody. We are back here in our little studio with our awesome little setup here. So what we're going to do is we are going to divvy up those 3 quotes that we took today, and we're going to split that between myself and Nash, work on those, get some plans drawn up, get the price breakdowns, and get those out to those customers. So they're going to look great. We had a good time today doing those quotes and blowing off the roof that you'll see in the beginning of the video. So, roundabout way to get there. But if you need downspout redirections, French drains, channel drains, anything drainage related, please give us a call, 813-665-0334. Or you can check us out at tampadraindudes.com. There you will find a free quote request form that you can fill out and get your info out to us so we can come to your house and get you a quote. Thanks, guys.
And like and subscribe.
Oh, yeah, that one. Like and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. What else we got?
No, that's it.
Yeah, that's about it. Like and follow. Hit the subscribe button.